Merry Christmas from top-tier trivia. In the land of bustles and bonnets, Queen Victoria and Prince Albert were about to change Christmas forever. Forget the stuffy traditions. These royals were on a mission to make holiday cheer a royal affair. Before their reign, Christmas trees were just a twinkle in the eye of medieval Germans, who had been decking their halls with evergreens since before it was cool. But it was Prince Albert, in 1848, who took this trend and ran with it, sending decorated trees to schools and army barracks. Talk about spreading holiday spirit like confetti. The real game changer? An engraving of the royal family decorating a tree hit the press, and suddenly the British public was tree crazy. Imagine the scene: Queen Victoria, Prince Albert, and their kids, all tangled in lights and gingerbread. It was the ultimate family photo op. Unlike today's royals, who might just send a minion to hang the ornaments, Victoria and Albert were hands-on. They brought the tree into Windsor Castle on Christmas Eve, lit the candles, and even added gingerbread. The kids would be summoned, probably with the promise of sweets, to witness the magic. So, the next time a Christmas tree twinkles in the corner of a living room, remember the royal couple who made it all possible. They turned a simple evergreen into a holiday icon, proving that even in the 19th century, they knew how to throw a festive bash. In a world where the royals are often seen as distant and aloof, it's refreshing to know that at least one royal couple embraced the spirit of Christmas with open arms and a whole lot of gingerbread. So here's to Queen Victoria and Prince Albert, the original holiday influencers who made Christmas trees a staple of festive celebrations. Who knew that a little greenery could spark so much joy? Next time the ornaments come out, raise a glass to the royals who made it all happen. Cheers to Christmas trees, gingerbread, and a royal legacy that still lights up the season.